Good morning. Today we're going to be working with fractions again, and today we're going to be specifically working with parts of a whole. So the majority of your problems today are going to be set up just like this, where you're going to have a fraction and a whole number. And basically what you're doing is you're applying your knowledge of fractions to a whole number. I'm going to show you what that looks like here in a second. You're going to be using basically two math operations today. You're going to be using division and multiplication, but like all things that are fractions, there's two approaches to it. You can do the math approach, which I'll show you here in a second, and then you can also do the drawing approach here in a second, which I'll show you. So I'm going to start off and show you the math side of a problem like this first. And basically what you want to think about is this. When you see a problem that says 1/3 of a whole number, you want to take it and you want to think of your denominator as division, your numerator as multiplication. Okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to divide first, then multiply. So in this case, I'd go 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. So that is going to be my answer, and I'm going to put that right here, and that's my 1/3 of 15. Now, you can also do where you have a picture. I'm going to go ahead and draw this out so it's big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so I'll back my camera up here a little bit so you can see I made 15 different boxes here. So basically what I can do now is, so I'm looking for 1/3 of 15. So what I generally do is I'm going to go color in 1, that's a third. Color in 1, that's 3. So if you look at it like there's 3, I colored in 1 out of 3. 1 out of 3, 1 out of 3, 1 out of 3. And so basically what I end up with is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are shaded. So that's also the same way that I got my answer. So let me show you one other problem here, and then you guys should have a pretty good understanding of this. This isn't really difficult. It's just a matter of keeping straight which order you're doing the multiplication and division. A lot of people will multiply first instead of divide first, and that can kind of throw you off. I'll also show you one other way really quick too of thinking about it that I've seen some people do. So let's do here 4/7 of 28. Okay, so again, you remember you're using two math operations. You're using division, you're using multiplication. So you're dividing first, multiplying second. So if you take 28 divided by 7, you get 4. You then take that 4, multiply it by 4, and you end up getting an answer of 16. Okay? Some people also think about it like this, and this is just something to keep in mind. Some people do the division, and they do 28 divided by 7, so that's pieces of 4. And then they think, all right, well, I have 4 pieces of 4, so that's 4, 8, 12, 16. So you can also kind of get it through skip counting. So not the most challenging thing we've done, and I know you guys are going to do great on it today. So that is parts of a whole. Thank you.